Looking at where we came from, and even this season, how we started this season, and how things happened this season, are you fair to Chelsea? Are you fair? Yes, we are big, we are Chelsea. But look at our squad. Look at where we came from. Look at the manager. Look at the players and even our owners. Our owners, they never manage a football team. They are business people. They know nothing about football. Enzo Maresca first season in the Premier League, he never managed a big team like Chelsea. Before Enzo Maresca came, how many coaches came to Chelsea and could not make it and could not do it? They sacked them. Please, let's be fair. Let's give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Let's give the credit to Chelsea. See, Chelsea will celebrate today, will celebrate tomorrow, will celebrate tomorrow next. If you want to go and bend the sea, if you want to go and fight a tree, we don't care. We are Chelsea. We win Conference League. We completed the set. We won all the major European trophies you can talk about in this world. We set a record Real Madrid doesn't have. We set a record Barcelona, Bayern Munich doesn't have. If you want to go and bend the sea, as I said, if you want to go and fight a tree, we don't care. We are Chelsea. We are winners. Chelsea, we don't play finals. We win finals. Manchester United this season, they lost European final. What do you say about that? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Rich Man. In fact, guys, after Chelsea winning the UEFA Conference League, after Chelsea completed the set, first ever team to win all the major European trophies. Now, some fans are saying that Chelsea is celebrating too much. All Chelsea fans are celebrating too much about this minor, small Conference League cup. Yes, cup. So for that matter, Chelsea is a big club to win Conference League and celebrating to the sky and to the moon. Conference League is a small trophy. If it were to be them, they will not celebrate like Chelsea fans. We celebrated this trophy. Some fans said that. Guys, some fans tried to take Chelsea fans joy away. Some fans tried to take Chelsea fans joy away. I just want to make more money and live my life my way. I just want to win more trophies and move my way as a Chelsea fan. But some people said that the trophy is a small trophy. The trophy is a Conference League trophy that Chelsea will over-celebrated. Over-celebrated. Guys, this is why we are here. Let's see the reason why Chelsea celebrated, or as they say, over-celebrated this trophy. That because we are Chelsea, we are big or bigger, we shouldn't be celebrating this kind of trophies. In fact, guys, before I start, I want to say something. See, in this world, just make sure that you are doing the right thing. Every day, make sure that you are following the right channel, you are doing the right thing. Because, see, no matter how the situation, people will talk. People will always talk. So, make sure that at the end of the day, you are doing the right thing. Because whether you are doing the right thing, you are doing the wrong thing, people will talk. So, in conclusion, do the right thing. See, opposition fans or some fans who are saying that Chelsea is over-celebrating this Conference League, they are not fair to Chelsea. They are not fair to Chelsea, I'm telling you. Yes, football, we know that banter thing is there. It make football sweet. Yes, it make things look nice, attractive. But, Charlie, in a more serious note, saying that Chelsea over-celebrated this trophy is unfairness. You are not being fair to Chelsea. Why? If you are going to analyze Chelsea winning this Conference League, don't start from this season. Don't start from this season. Chelsea will come from a certain point till Chelsea winning this Conference League and now celebrating as we said we over-celebrated. Yes, see, 2021, Chelsea will won Champions League. Yes, Super Cup, FIFA Club Trophy to show how big we are. And unfortunately, new owners came in, reshuffling. Things happen. Yes, chaos, noise around Chelsea. Ukraine and Russian war. All the bombs was thrown to Chelsea. Chelsea come. For that matter, they sold Chelsea. Yes, to new owners. When the new owners came, they also came with a different plan. They came with their project. And then they started shifting, yes, the old players. The old ownership players. N'Golo Kante, Kovacic, yes, Edouard Mendy, Koulibaly, Jorginho, Havertz. In fact, they shifted almost 99% of the old squad. Yes, and built their own squad. Went and signed their own players. So we started. That season, Chelsea will finish off The first season under the new ownership, Chelsea finished 12th. I think under Porter. Yes, guys. Then we say, okay, Chelsea, the world was saying that, oh, Chelsea had a worst season. Chelsea spent 1 billion, 1.5 billion. Same people saying that we are over celebrating this trophy. That same people were saying that Chelsea spent 1.5 billion, yet Chelsea could not even make the top 10, yet Chelsea could not even go. And we didn't say anything as Chelsea fans. We accepted that we had a bad season, we had a worst season. So, let's move on. The following season began. Yes, Chelsea, okay, the game is going. Some fans are saying that Chelsea will go on relegation. Chelsea will be relegated. Chelsea will not even make top 10. Chelsea will not even what and what. And luckily, Cole Palmer from nowhere, Chelsea son at that season, pick up, started scoring goals, started giving us the goals. And at the end of that season, the second season under the new ownership, Chelsea finished safe. Chelsea finished safe. Listen, and when Chelsea finished safe, or when a team finish safe in the Premier League, you are eligible to play Europa League, not Conference League. Until a team who wins the FA Cup, who doesn't make top 4, he can then shift you and take your position and go and play Europa League. There, Chelsea went to play the Conference League. Man City and Manchester United play FA Cup final, and United won that game. But that season, United finished 8th. Even last season, that was last season, Chelsea finished above United in the Premier League table. We finished 6th, United finished 8th. But they won FA Cup. But because they could not make top 4, or let me say finish 5th, they took over Chelsea's position to play Europa League. Then Chelsea was shifted back to play Conference League. Please listen to me. Chelsea was then shifted back to play what? Conference League. Chelsea didn't qualify for Conference League in the league table last season in the Premier League. We didn't finish in Conference League position. Listen, we finished in Europa League position. I'm telling you. So United, they went and played FA Cup. We saw what happened. They went to the final. Spurs beat them. Yes. In fact, their worst season ever, including Spurs. Their worst. These two teams, they met in the final. West, 16 versus 17. Even they beat United. United could not win that game. Chelsea, we started the journey, the Conference League. Yes, we play teams, we make teams. We never know as Chelsea fans. Our players travel 11 hours, long journeys. Yes, to different countries across Europe. Yes, at the end of the day, we'll reach the final. Chelsea against Real Betis. Guys, Chelsea against Real Betis. And the world was saying that Chelsea cannot make it. Chelsea cannot win the cup. Real Betis will beat Chelsea because Betis is Spain team. Spain teams, they know how to beat English teams. What and what. The world was against Chelsea. Guys, at the end of the day, we saw what happened. Chelsea, we won. We won. We lifted the Conference League. And in fact, in that game, something even happened. We conceded early goal. We conceded the first goal. Then it was looking like what opposition fans were saying that Chelsea cannot lift the trophy. It was looking like it was about to happen. But in the second half, we came back, scored 4 goals. At the end of the match, 90 minutes, Chelsea won the trophy, Conference League. And now, look at the journey. Look at the journey from 12th to 6th. Yes, from 12th to 6th to then play in the Conference League because a certain club who doesn't also make top 4 or top 5th, yes, win FA Cup, won FA Cup. Then we shifted back to that Conference League, which we didn't qualify for in the league table. We played to the final, I'm telling you, and now we won the final. We are celebrating. Some fans are saying that we shouldn't celebrate because we are Chelsea. Please, as I said, don't look at this season. Look at where Chelsea came from. Yes, we are Chelsea, but to be honest to ourselves, the time we were Chelsea, go and look at that squad. The time we were winning big trophies, see, we were having experienced players. We were having experienced manager, tactical manager like Thomas Tuchel, our last Champions League. Even the first Champions League, as you are now calling us, we are Chelsea, for that matter, we shouldn't celebrate the conference. Go and look at that squad. Drogba and co. Yes, Matic and co. Juan Mata and co. Experienced players. Peter Cech and co. Experienced players. Go and look at that squad compared to this our current squad. And even not this current squad. Let's not even put this current squad aside. Look at like the environment, the journey Chelsea passed through, the noise, change of ownership. It's not easy for a big team like Chelsea to have a change of ownership. Within 3 seasons, we lifted a trophy. not just a trophy, but European trophy. You are telling us not to celebrate. Upon all the miseries that came our way, you guys came for us. We spending 1.5 billion. We signed Casado 150 million. We signed Enzo Fernandez 100 million. Upon all the banters and the banters we suffered from you guys, at the end of the day, we are going to enjoy small, just small. And you said no, we shouldn't enjoy also. Abba, are you not feeling sympathy about Chelsea fans? Even if you don't feel sympathy about with the Chelsea fans, don't you fear God? Don't you just fear God to let Chelsea fans breathe small? Manchester United reached the final. They could not win. Yes, that is a disaster. United as a team, as a big team, reaching Europa League final, they could not win it. They lost to Spurs, who had to win something, who had to win a trophy. But we are not speaking about them. This season, Newcastle, league leaders, those who win the Premier League, Newcastle beat them in the final. Newcastle, 70 years, they never win a trophy. They beat Liverpool in the final. Yes, so it tells you that it's not an easy to win a final game. Almighty Liverpool, the same as Man City this season. Almighty Pep Man City. Look at the amount of money Pep spent. During the January transfer window, across all Europe, City spent money more than any other team. But FA Cup, Crystal Palace beat them. Crystal Palace also, go and look at their history. Over the past years, they hardly win a trophy, a major trophy. They beat City and won FA Cup this season. Now we are going to Champions League final, PSG, Inter Milan. We don't know what happened there. But let's come to our Chelsea. Luckily, Chelsea also met Betis. When you look at the pattern this season, it worked out with those who normally don't win trophy, or those who usually don't win trophy, and those who winners, and those who normally don't win. And only Chelsea broke that curse this season. Yes, only Chelsea beat Real Betis this season. When you look at compare two teams in the final, I'm telling you, because United have that trophy winning something more than Spurs. The same as City, the same as Liverpool, Newcastle, the same as Chelsea, Real Betis. At the end of the day, Chelsea, we broke that curse. We beat Real Betis. We beat Spanish team, as people were saying that English team and Spanish team, when they meet in the final, what Spanish team always beat. Just we broke that record. We broke that curse. 2021, we came and stop it. It continues like that until 2025. We stop it again. So as I said, if you are going to analyze Chelsea winning Conference League and be celebrating, don't just look at it this season. Even if you are going to look at it this season and you are not going to be biased, you are going to be fair. See, still, Chelsea should celebrate. Even Chelsea should use 1 year and celebrate this Conference League. I'm telling you. Because let's come to this season. When the season started, Chelsea went and signed Enzo Maresca. Some of us who were against Chelsea signing Enzo Maresca because he never coached in the Premier League. Inexperienced Enzo Maresca. I was hoping that Chelsea would go and sign those experienced managers. Barcelona current manager, he was free. Yes, PSG current manager, he was free. Some of us, that is what we were hoping for. At the end of the day, Chelsea went and signed, yes, Enzo Maresca, who never coached, yes, official, being a manager in the Premier League. Especially coaching a big team like Chelsea. Especially looking at where we came from under Pochettino. Looking at our squad size. Opposition fans, journalists, social media, Chelsea will not finish top 4. Chelsea can make top 4. Chelsea can do that. And by the end of December, they will sack Enzo Maresca, what and what. And luckily, Chelsea will started the season very well. The first 10 games, we were winning games. It even came to a point during the season, Chelsea had more goals, more than any other team in the Premier League. Until December, yes, we're now seeing that inexperienced playership. Yes, inexperienced players in our team, having inexperienced manager, his first season in the Premier League. Things started, yes, manifesting. Yes, we need a balanced squad. Cole Palmer form went down. Jackson will not score anymore. Our attackers was off. Until December, yes, January things, yes, till April things didn't work well. But April, yes, till now, things started shifting to the good side, To some extent, it took Chelsea to play 38th game in the Premier League, the last game in the Premier League, to now determine whether Chelsea will qualify for top 4 or play Champions League football or not. That is how things went bad and difficult. The same fans who said we shouldn't celebrate were saying that Chelsea will not make top 4. The same fans, guys, they were saying that Chelsea will not make top 4. We can't beat Forest in their home. I'm telling you that Newcastle will qualify, Aston Villa will qualify, Chelsea will not qualify. At the end of the day, we went to Forest and we beat them. And even made top 4, not top 5. This season there is top 5. Chelsea made the traditional top 4. Now, we celebrated our top 4, and they said that Chelsea should not celebrate top 4 because we are Chelsea. Chelsea making top 4 is usual. Hypocrisy. Our way to the final, the same people were saying that Betis will beat us. We went to the final, we considered an early goal, second half 4 goals, we beat Betis, lifted the cup. The same fans, the same people are saying that Chelsea we shouldn't celebrate. The same people, the same fans are saying that Chelsea we shouldn't celebrate or Chelsea we over-celebrated. Are you being fair to Chelsea? Looking at where we came from and even this season, how we started this season and how things happened this season, are you fair to Chelsea? Are you fair? Yes, we are big, we are Chelsea. But look at our squad. Look at where we came from. Look at the manager. Look at the players and even our owners. Our owners, they never manage a football team. They are business people. They know nothing about football. Enzo Maresca first season in the Premier League, he never managed a big team like Chelsea. Before Enzo Maresca came, how many coaches came to Chelsea and could not make it and could not do it? They sacked them. Please, let's be fair. Let's give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. Let's give the credit to Chelsea. See, Chelsea will celebrate today, will celebrate tomorrow, will celebrate tomorrow next. If you want to go and bend the sea, if you want to go and fight a tree, we don't care. We are Chelsea. We win Conference League. We completed the set. We won all the major European trophies you can talk about in this world. We set a record Real Madrid doesn't have. We set a record Barcelona, Bayern Munich doesn't have. If you want to go and bend the sea, as I said, if you want to go and fight a tree, we don't care. We are Chelsea. We are winners. Chelsea, we don't play finals. We win finals. Manchester United this season, they lost European final. What do you say about that? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. Let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought. We don't want this video to be long. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.